back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and I don't know if you can hear the echo that I can hear right now, but there is an echo, and as you can tell, my background is real extra plain, and it's because I am moving. I'm like in the middle of moving, y'all, so everything is just discombobulated right now, but it's exciting because I'll have new content that's going to be coming really soon. Some moving content, some decorating content, some new things are definitely coming. I said it was, I knew it took some time, but we're here finally. But before we get there, today's video, I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from AliPearl Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So this is a 12-inch 13 by 4 Bodywave wig from AliPearl Hair. They pre-bleach the knots for you, and they also pre-pluck the front, and it also comes with a part. So basically the wig is pretty much prepped for you. Only thing you have to do is install it. It is a full 13 by 4 lace closure, but you can see how transparent that lace is. And then like I'll also show you here, please ignore my ugly nails. I'll just show you here what the lace looks like as well. So it's looking really good. I'm not exactly sure of the density off the top of my head, but I'll have it floating in the details. But this is just what the wig looks like. It comes pre-curled, so I'm really excited about that because it's one less thing I have to do. It is on a dome cap like this. This is what the inside looks like. It has an elastic band that has the non-slip grip right here. There is a comb at the bottom, and there are also 2 combs at the sides of the wig. Before we jump into the video, I'm just going to show you what comes inside the box, which is some lashes, an edge brush. Ooh, cute! We get a little compact makeup, not makeup. I think this is a mirror. This is actually really cute. So it's a mirror that says like AliPearl. And this is what the back looks like. That's so cute. And then this is the mirror right here. I'm like, okay, something a little different. That's what I'm talking about. Give me something different. This is their wig band that says AliPearl, and it comes with a freaking dust bag. Thank God, because you need a dust bag for your wig, y'all. So excited about that. So if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Alright y'all, so first and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this off. If y'all new here, then I'll let you know that when I install frontal wigs, really for all of my wigs lately, I have not been using a wig cap. And I feel like wig caps, 1, they're not necessary, and 2, it pulls out your hair. So I'm like, you know what, like especially like for the type of hairline I have, like it comes down here, and then I have long sideburns. So it's real difficult for me personally to use wig caps because I have to like maneuver around it. So I've just been saying bump the wig cap. I'm just going to install the wig regularly without it. So I'm just taking some gel right here, and I'm just going to slick back my edges. All right, and now I'm just going to slide the wig on as is. Okay, tuck my hair under here. All right, so it's fitting on my head just fine, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, okay, and next I'm going to cut the ear tabs. My Hold Me Down glue from Erica J. Please ignore my ugly little nubs. From Erica J. And I'm going to be putting this all on my hairline. Typically, I would actually take like a pin. No, am I making it worse? Probably. What was I saying? I was saying typically I would take a pin and like mark where I wanted the lace to come down, but I'm feeling real bold today, y'all, so I'm not gonna do that, and I'm just gonna freestyle it. In the past, I have been putting the glue like through my actual edges on the sides. Like I tried that like with my last frontal install and it actually worked a little bit. So I'm like, let me just try it again. Even though it's on my hair, I have a really good bond remover that really takes glue out of hair. So that's the only reason why I'm bold enough to do that. But if you don't have like a product that you feel that's good enough to remove glue, I don't suggest you do that. Don't do it. So I'm gonna have to fan dry it like this. Like I said, y'all, I'm in the middle of moving and I done have all my stuff packed away and I done packed away my blow dryer. So I'm just gonna have to fan this dry. Now I'm gonna take my wig band and wrap my little edges. All right. Taking this off. Oh, child. Now I'm ready to cut this lace using my zigzaggedy scissors that I got from Amazon. I think these are actually like fabric scissors, which makes sense since the lace is technically fabric. So I'm gonna cut along here. Okay, so I wound up moving my part a little bit further on the side because I wanted like a little bit of a deeper side part, and now I'm just doing my baby hairs. I want my baby hairs to kind of come out, not too far on my forehead, but kind of further than the part, so just making sure it's gonna come out far enough. So while my edges sit, now I am just going to do something with these curls that are in here. So like I showed you earlier, it comes pre-curled, but of course I don't want the curls like tight like this. So I'm just going to, first I'm going to finger through them just to loosen it up some. While styling the hair, the curls fell a little bit like in the front, like where I had to cut it. So I'm going to have to like recurl it a little bit. But before I do that, I'm just going to like pick up the curls and just like pull my fingers through it. And I feel like I'm going to have to cut some layers in it. So I need to touch up a few of the curls because like I said, they got messed up while styling the hair. So I'm just going to take my wand and fix it. Hopefully that's good enough. Typically with these type of curls though, I would use like my flat iron or something, but honestly don't feel like it. So I'm just gonna use my little curling wand like this and fix these curls. And then lastly, before I do anything, well, I'm almost done, but I'm just gonna take my Got To Be Free spray and spray it along the parting space just to define the parts. Ouch, always burn my forehead. Take this off. Woo! Sharp. Okay. Cute, cute. Some more layers in here. A little too long. I want like a short, fluffy look. I'm just gonna take my cream makeup and just put it along the parting, or not along the parting, but along the lace. So like here, here, just to blend it in. And voila. How cute. Ooh, I wanna like pin it up. Ooh, that's cute. I found a couple bobby pins and I'm just gonna pin this to the side. I don't know, I just feel like this is more, it looks better on my face when it's like pinned to the side as opposed to just having it all down. Okay. Period. Oh, do I need to cut one? I need to cut. Anytime I see like a loose curl, I just cut it. Cause I'm like, this is a curly wig anyway. And it has a lot of body. And it is full and it is cute. Ooh, let me not mess it up. This is so cute and it's nice and fluffy and lightweight. And it doesn't get on my nerves at all. Like, this is so cute and it looks real natural. Anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Definitely go and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.